I'm so full. I hope nobody eats my food. Oh no! It's empty.
Does your older teenage brother eat all your food? Do you go nuts without eating? Then get the new fridge lock. The new way to protect your fridge. Just slip it around the handles of your refrigerator and lock it in place, and you'll never have to worry about starving again.
Now I never have to worry about going hungry another night again. Thanks, Fridge Lock.
You can buy it at any Walmart. Remember, fridge lock, the new way to protect your fridge. You can buy it for $20.